Today's video is an explanation of NFTs and intellectual property. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. Intellectual property, in its most basic sense, refers to whatever you create with your mind, including works of art, literature, and inventions. In the analog era, it was very simple to enforce these rights, but in today's digital age, where millions of people produce their own work, copying and pasting are rampant, it is much more difficult. A fascinating innovation, non-fungible tokens have the potential to revolutionize everything from baseball cards to music records, from movie merchandise to exquisite artwork. There are problems, though, just like with any new technology. There are other dangers that need to be handled, and the industry is still adjusting to the rights granted to NFT owners. Does the victim still have IP rights if a bad actor steals a non-fungible token? How can we prevent counterfeit NFTs from being created on a competing blockchain? When you buy an NFT, do you automatically get IP rights? No, in a nutshell, is the response. Reading the fine print will help you understand exactly what you're getting. Let's go over a few succinct instances. In March 2021, Jack Dorsey sold his first tweet in NFT format for a staggering $2.9 million. Without a doubt, this is a historical piece of content. However, crypto entrepreneur Sina Estavi does not own the intellectual property associated with this tweet. The entire copyright still belongs to Dorsey. When the New York Times published an article about cryptocurrency collectibles and then offered readers the chance to purchase a tokenized version of the narrative, it pulled off a tongue-in-cheek prank. It ultimately sold for a staggering 350 ETH, which was equivalent to $560,000 at the time and over $600,000 in the beginning of August 2022. The opportunity to be recognized and featured in a subsequent article was one of the benefits of this NFT, but the article's copyright or any rights to be reproduced or syndicated were not included. There are even more possible dangers. The NFT boom has seen a surge in interest in Meta Birkins, a digital recreation of Hermes' renowned bags. However, digital artist Mason Rothschild found himself in legal trouble with the designer brand after they asserted that it would confuse customers. Which NFT collections have given IP rights to owners? Some of the largest NFT collections now available, including Bored Ape Yacht Club, have granted users full intellectual property rights. This is a huge development, you might even say a very kind one. It practically means that Bored Ape NFT owners have the opportunity to make money off of them. In a recent music video, Eminem and Snoop Dogg collaborated and took on the roles of their respective identities. Meanwhile, online marketplaces have appeared where collectors can rent out their apes NFT to businesses. As we mentioned earlier, the actor Seth Green made a commotion when he revealed plans to develop a TV series called White Horse Tavern that would be centered upon his Bored Ape NFT, which he adores and named Fred. Green's prized collectible was ultimately taken during a phishing attack, and he had to pay a hefty price to get it back. Although the BAYC license claims that customers who buy NFTs possess the underlying Bored Ape, the art, totally, it makes no mention of what happens in instances of theft. There are no assurances, but many legal experts thought Green would have been in the clear if he had released the TV show without the NFT. How can NFT and Web3 protocols help transfer IP rights? The 21st century has become a battleground for intellectual property and a graveyard for creativity, but things are starting to shift. It may be possible to verify the legitimacy of non-fungible assets, safeguard their exclusivity, and simplify management rights with new and improved NFT classes. This strategy is being supported by Invarch, a scalable, interoperable IP rights blockchain that aims to be integrated into the Web3 environment. The INV4 protocol, which stands for invention, involvement, inventory, and investment, gives piracy-proof data in addition to on-chain copyright and licensing. The initiative envisions a world in which decentralized music studios and record labels might thrive, with individual artists supplying different aspects, as one possible use case for how its methodology could alter the creative sector. They might then be combined to create a song with a variety of beats and riffs, each contributor keeping their intellectual property, IP, co-owning the rights to the recording, and splitting the royalties. Could smart contracts be used for IP agreements? Yes, the use of blockchain technology might bring commercial transactions into the 21st century. The objective of Invarch is to make it possible for people who possess the most desirable NFTs, such as CryptoPunks, Bored Apes, and Meebits, to create on-chain agreements that cover the use of their non-fungible tokens in third-party products. The project recently outlined its vision on its blog, adding that the end result would be a marketplace where communities can buy swag and products relevant to their interests, and a market where artists and NFT copyright owners can establish lucrative income streams from their NFTs and increase the raw value of their digital assets. How can IP assets transform DeFi, DAOs, and the metaverse? According to Invarch, the infrastructure it offers can be utilized to quickly establish new decentralized, autonomous organizations. This may make it simpler for NGOs to support the development of intellectual property. Also, organizations may be able to produce income flow without ceding any of their IP rights. It is envisaged that barriers to innovation would be removed and replaced with a new development highway. The infrastructure of Invarch might also open up entirely new commercial prospects in the DeFi universe, as well as better security for individuals who are building ambitiously on metaverse virtual lots of land. A system that will make anything from music to code all but impossible to steal was announced at the end of June. The project won the 43rd Kusama Parachain auction. Additionally, this will undermine IP industry centralization because using Invarch to obtain protection is significantly less expensive than using the current system.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.